really making sure the tip of my brush is doing all the work here. I'm gonna stay on the outside for both of these strokes so I can make sure they're consistent. I just want to cover up that mistake there before it becomes a problem. And then do my inside. Again, really twirling that brush and letting the tip of the brush do all the work. If your brush is fighting you, check if you need more water for it or if you need more paint. Or perhaps you're putting all the weight of your brush on your wrist. In that case, make sure the brush is doing all the work. And there you have it. Make sure you're going to clean up all of those minor mistakes. But really there are no mistakes in lettering, because we are people, not computers. And I myself don't believe in perfection because I think we should never stop learning and practicing our skills. Feeling pretty good about that. Maybe I'll kind of this in, get that edge. Again, if you really want to get good, I would suggest watching the video we have on O. You can get a real grasp on that. It'll make doing cues a lot easier. And again, I'm gonna clean up this bit here. And there you have it. We have the Gothic cue of the block or Gothic brush lettering.